Welcome. In this video, let's quickly explore the MBA in Data Science and Analytics, a one-year program offered by IBAS Switzerland. The MBA in Data Science and Analytics at IBAS Switzerland is designed for students and professionals who want to learn how to use data to make smart business decisions and lead in today's digital world. You'll learn important business skills along with data tools like analytics, data mining, and basic machine learning. The main goal is to help you understand data and turn it into better business decisions. With global faculty, industry-focused case studies, and hands-on projects, you learn through real business examples and practical work. This MBA opens opportunities across Europe and beyond. IBAS also offers international placement opportunities in the US, UK, and Singapore. If you want to build a global career in data, technology, and business, the MBA in Data Science and Analytics at IBAS Switzerland is a great choice. If you want to know more, connect with the socials today.